Let's start with bring and take. Bring means to carry something toward the speaker. For example, bring me the book. Take means to carry something away from the speaker. For example, take this book to your room. Toward me? Bring. Away from me? Take. Next, borrow and lend. Borrow means you take something for a short time. I borrow your pen. Lend means you give something for a short time. I lend you my pen. Borrow equals receive. Lend equals give. Say and tell, very confusing for learners. Say is used when we talk about words in general. He said, hello. Tell is used when you speak to someone. He told me a story. Say equals words. Tell equals to someone. Speak is more formal. We speak a language. We speak at a meeting. Talk is casual. We talk with friends. Speak equals formal. Talk equals casual. Now let's fix look, see, and watch. Look means you focus your eyes on something. Look at this picture. See means something enters your eyes without trying. I saw a dog on the road. Watch means you look at something for a long time. I watch TV. Look equals with intention. See equals without intention. Watch equals for a longer time. Listen means you pay attention to sound. Listen to me. Hear means the sound reaches your ears without trying. I heard a loud noise. Listen equals with attention. Hear equals without attention. Make means create something. Make a sandwich. Make a plan. Do means perform a task. Duome work. Do the dishes. Make equals create. Do equals perform. Raise means you lift something. Raise your hand. Raise the flag. Rise means something goes up by itself. The sun rises. The balloon rises. Raise equals you lift it. Rise equals it goes up. Put means to place something normally. Put the phone on the table. Set means arrange carefully or in the right position. Set the table. Set the alarm. Put equals place. Set equals arrange. Hit means strike once. He hit the ball. Beat means hit many times or defeat someone. Hit equals one strike. Beat equals many strikes or defeat. These confusing English verbs seem similar, but now you know how to use them correctly. Keep learning, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next lesson.